Jamaica things. Yeah. 876. Represent the place. Hands are furious. Flags are furious.
Gosh, guys, I love this project. Today, we have the Art District Project Manager for Kingston Creative sharing insights into their exciting initiative aimed at adding a touch of artistic charm to Jamaica. We're getting ready to dive into the vibrant world of Paint the City, which is a project by Kingston Creative that's enlisting local muralists to transform the buildings in downtown Kingston. Daniel, good morning. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Boy, I have to big up Kingston Creative. Big you guys up on the work that you are doing. It started with, it's 3 people?
About that, yeah. In 2017, 2018, yeah, that's when the first mural project really started, called Paint the City.
And the vision was to do what?
The vision was pretty much just to empower the creatives of Jamaica, artists, creative entrepreneurs, and muralists. So we're using art pretty much as a catalyst to kind of transform downtown, but I don't really like to say the word transform. It's more like bringing people back to downtown because the beauty is already in the city. So the arts are pretty much just something new to look at to bring more people.
Yes.
There you go, enhance.
A pedestrianized street art gallery.
Yes. So that is pretty much almost like a walking street art gallery where people can just walk, look at, take pictures, shoot videos, whatever it may be. And we're pretty much connecting the National Library and Institute of Jamaica towards the National Gallery of Jamaica. So that's East Street to Orange Street.
I'm ashamed to say I've never been. I'm ashamed. But I'm gonna go because I've seen pictures. My daughter's been, I haven't been. It's a shame. I'm gonna go. So many people have been coming down and taking a look. As you said, it's been a coveted location for videos and so on and so forth.
Definitely.
You've gone 59 murals downtown alone.
Yes.
Some 88 across Jamaica.
88 across Jamaica.
And you're doing it in partnership with the communities.
Yes.
Tell me how that works.
So we pretty much don't want to just come into people's neighborhoods and just do our thing or invite outsiders to come in. We kind of have to get the communities involved because it is really for the communities. It's not for not necessarily the tourists or business owners or other entities that may come about. It's more for the community so that they can get involved and kind of have a new sense of pride in their communities. Because when the murals go up, they actually take care of them. They are the ones who invite people to.
But don't some of them help paint them too?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So we hire, or I wouldn't want to say hire, but we get them involved. With the community people are the ones who probably might be priming the walls. We have a community mason who fixes the walls. We have people who clean the streets and stuff like that, apart from the KCMC. And we kind of get them involved so that they can, be the ones to
they can own it, after them own.
It's
pride.
Theirs. It's theirs. It's their communities at the end of the day.
Have you seen a difference, like anecdotally, in the energy of the communities and how they feel about themselves and their place?
Definitely.
You have.
Definitely. So they, as I said, they take a lot of pride in their work. They're the ones who are quick to show off. Sometimes they are even their own tour guides where they will be the ones kind of showing people around and saying, when this mural come up, I was this age and this is what was going on. And after the mural, a lot of more people come towards the business that's there because we have cook shops, we have tailors, there's carpenters, there's a whole fleet of people with different businesses that are there that all are affected by the murals. So
Paint the City is a new initiative, or are you all doing something different? Because Paint the City started in 2018, no?
Started in 2018, but we're currently at phase 4.
Okay.
Where we're accepting submissions for our open call.
All right, tell me what one was.
So one was pretty much the start of it all, where it didn't necessarily have a theme. We're just trying to follow the whole culture of Jamaica, trying to capture culture of Jamaica. 2, the theme kind of shifted more towards the Jamaican people. And 3, it was focusing on different art forms. So you had like theater, dance, music, whatever it may be, ranging from folk to dancehall. And 4, we're coining the term One Downtown. We're focusing on the downtown community, ensuring that the different cultures that are in downtown gets that highlight and gets the spotlight put on them.
One Downtown. So it's an open call for, tell us what you're looking for and what the people watching need to know to get involved.
So we currently have it on the submissions on our website, kingstoncreative.org. And we are looking for designs that showcase the Jamaican culture, showing unity and oneness and togetherness. Because people have this belief that downtown is still segregated, and sometimes it does feel like that, but we're trying to get everybody to come together because at the end of the day, it's one downtown community.
One downtown, brother.
And we want to ensure that everybody plays their role in bringing the community together, because at the end of the day, it's one art district, it's one downtown.
Yeah.
There's
one
no
community, communities within communities, but one cohesive community.
Exactly.
And so you're looking for folks who can bring that to life through their art.
Yes.
And we're going to put up some more mural.
Yes.
We love that. We love that. Open call. How do we apply? What is the time span with which we have to apply? What is the deadline?
Okay, so the deadline is currently November 12th. It got extended. It was originally supposed to be ending pretty soon. I don't think it makes sense to give.
Nobody give them the original ending. November 12th.
It's November 12th,
right.
The new deadline.
Right.
And we currently have quite a few submissions, but we would like more options so that more people can have the opportunity to get their work out there, because not only are you building up the community, but you also, you can get to connect with the people as well. So it also builds character as well. That's how I like to see it, because the more people you meet is the better off you are in life.
Of course, your network builds and your network becomes your net worth. So what are we submitting to you when we jump on the site? Do you want to see copies of our work?
Definitely.
What do you want to see?
So the website pretty much tells you everything that you need to know. However, we would like to see, a couple works from your portfolio, recent works, maybe some of your best works. That might not be necessarily a recent work, but 5 different pieces that you think displays your talent and skill level. And we are accepting up to 3 different designs as well, that all speak towards that theme of one downtown togetherness, unity.
Do I have to be a trained artist?
No, not necessarily. A lot of the bigger artists, they, have bigger things to tackle. They might be tied up with other works. So we like to give up-and-coming artists time to shine. So
meaning I don't have to have an EDNA degree or...
No, definitely
I just have to have the gift.
You just have to have the gift, the time, the dedication.
Excellent. All right. So if you can fit into that mold that Daniel has described, go and put your work downtown Kingston. Hopefully you'll get the opportunity from the wonderful folks at Kingston Creative. Again, the website is
kingstoncreative.org.
Okay, and your deadline to paint the city along the one downtown theme is November 12th. Andrea, big up yourself. Congrats on the amazing work you continue to do. You're transforming the landscape down there, and it really is fantastic to drive down there and see what is going on. Daniel, big up yourself as well, because we know you've been integral in the process, and we thank you for, just putting a different face.
Thank you. I try.
Yeah. Daniel Thompson, Art District Project Manager at Kingston Creative. We will be back. What time is it? After the news. Soon come, everybody.